Hello, I'm Tom Hamilton, owner and managing director of Hamilton Plant Hire. We're a South Yorkshire-based plant hire company who operate machinery into the construction industry, ranging from small mini excavators up to 35-ton machines. Recently, we have decided to move into crushing and screening and creating of our own aggregates. So we have created a recycling yard where we can encourage people to come and tip their construction waste, and we turn it into reusable aggregates. And we have recently got Agg-Pro involved to supply us with a McCloskey J40 crusher and this R70 screener. We're going to be supplying aggregates such as clean recycled materials and Type 1s and 6F2s back into the construction industry that have come off sites and tipped in our recycling centre in Sheffield.
Hi, I'm Sam, I'm Hamilton's Recycling Operations Manager. We've gone for the J40 crusher on a view to sort of crushing a recycled Type 1, a recycled 6F2, and we've also gone for the R70 screener so we can start producing some clean materials out of our yard as well, bringing the yard up to standards for a tip and collect and for other aggregate businesses and haulage firms and also the utilities.
I'm Tom Elgin, I'm from Agg-Pro, I'm the sales manager for the northeast of England. Today we're at Hamilton Plant Hire taking delivery of their new J40 crusher. This is a 35-ton jaw crusher, ideal for their transport, easily moved around. The jaw on it is 1000 by 650, it's 40 inches by 24 inches for the rest of us. Standard spec on this machine, as we see today, is a overband magnet, magic eye, side conveyor. We've got aluminium dust covers on the machine as well. There's a dust suppression system and there's a fuel pump on it as standard. That's a standard UK spec we put for our demolition companies. If anybody requires any more information regarding the McCloskey products or Agg-Pro, feel free to contact us on our website or at our office.